Fish. There's a fish right there. Oh, see that, guys? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Right now it's late spring, and if you tune in to my channel regularly, you would have seen me go out to the Kawarthas with Taro Murata, and we had ourselves a really good time, and I'm going to link that down below. We caught some really nice fish in that one. Today I'm out onto the lake again. If this looks familiar, it's because I was here not too long ago. Last time I was out in this lake, I dropped my keys into the lake, but today I had them safely secured. And last time out I caught 7 species. I caught my personal best crappie, bluegill, pumpkin seed, hybrid between the two, largemouth bass, rock bass, yellow perch. And so I think I got 7 species in total, but I suspect that there are other species here. So I'm gonna do more exploring on this lake today. My goal is to, of course, catch a fish, always goal number 1. And goal number 2 would be to see if I can add to that list. So let's see if we're gonna be successful. Stay tuned. I'm at a bit of a drop off right here. A little bit different type of location than when I was here last. Plan A of working a drop-off hasn't really worked. Surprised that there's no fish. Well, there were some nibbles, but I couldn't get them to commit. Plan B is working a little bit of the shallows. See if it'll produce. Oh, see that, guys? Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. I think it's a bass. Okay. First bite of the day. What do we have? Nice. Bass season is open, and we got a smallie on board, a nice one. Woo! Inhaled it. Look at that. That's a good fish, eh? That's a good fish. Smallie. Inhaled it. Got one. It's tied up in all the weeds there. It's a big panfish. Goliath gill. Oh my lord, look at that gill. Holy smokes. What a massive gill. Biggest one I ever caught. Check out this absolutely gigantic 10.5-inch bluegill. Look how thick she is. My goodness. Let's let it go. Wow. I am maybe a bit too close now. Oh, maybe not. Something nibbled at it. I am definitely a little closer than where I would like. Something was nibbling at it. Oh, definitely nibbling at it. Not shy either. Oh, took. I finally have you. What were you? Baby bluegill. Oh, you're cute. Wow, that's small. I'm guessing the same. Another fish. Tons of baby gills here, eh? Wow. There it goes. There it goes. Okay, so far I've caught scores of bluegills. What else did I catch? Caught some largemouth bass, not that big. And also caught a different species for this lake. I've never caught a smallie before, and I caught a pretty nice one today. And gonna head back out and see what else today brings. Stay tuned. Yeah, fish. All right, first yellow perch of the day. Pretty nice one too. There it is. I've already caught this species from this lake, so let's let it go. There's just a ripple right there. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. Don't think it's a pike. I could be wrong. What the hell? It is a pike. It is a pike. Come on. Is it gonna fit in the net? Oh my goodness, come on. That's it. There is the pike. There is the pike. Another new species here. Okay. That's the one. Okay, that's the one. That's the one. All right. So just a short explanation on what just went down. I was just casting. I found a drop off and I found some weeds, and I was just casting into where the drop off and weeds are. Okay. The soft plastic didn't really produce, but the crankbait did. So whenever you have a drop off and there's some weeds there, you got to give it a try, because these are ambush points for predators, and that's how we got the pike. And let's get back to fishing. Yep. I caught you, rock bass, with no tail? That's crazy. Where's your tail, bud? Where's your tail? There he wiggles. Fish. And a pumpkin seed. What a diverse day, just like the last time I was here. All right, you can stop peeing now. You can go back. You can go back. Fish. There's a fish right there. Okay, it's not bad. Pike. Oh, there he goes. On this side is deep, drop off, shallow. That's some big fish. Nice fish. Ooh, this looks like a largemouth. All right. Whew. Another nice fish. Might call it after this fish. Getting a bit tired. Nice fish though, very nice. And this fish has been hooked before. As you can tell here, I hooked it on the side here. This has been hooked before, maybe during the opener. Okay, one more look at the largemouth bass over here. Gonna let it go. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, this concludes today's video. Today I went out to the lake that I dropped my keys last time I was here into the lake, but luckily at that time I retrieved it. Also the same lake where I caught my personal best crappie. And I wanted to do more exploring today. Goal number 1 was to catch a fish, which we did. And goal number 2 was to catch something else, a species I haven't caught before here. And that was a success too, because I caught a pretty nice smallmouth bass and also a northern pike. I've never caught those species here before, so now I understand this lake a little bit more. I also caught a really beefy bluegill, my personal best, at 10.5 inches. Just a beautiful specimen of a bluegill. I had a lot of fun doing this video. And I hope to bring you more stuff in the not too distant future. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.